Children, I am Deepthi Singh from NLK Group of Schools. Today's topic is addition up to 20. Add means to combine, unite, or join together. The first process to do addition is addition by making 10. If we have to add the numbers 7 and 5, we will make a group of 10. While adding 7 and 5, a group of 10 is made. The remaining numbers are 1 and 2. Hence, the answer to 7 plus 5 will be 12. A group of 10 and 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. The next process to do addition is adding by forward counting. For example, if we have to add 12 and 4, the greater number in 12 and 4 is 12. So, we will keep 12 in mind and open remaining fingers, which is 4, and count after 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. Therefore, 12 plus 4 makes 16. Now, if we are adding tens and ones, that is, two-digit numbers, it is a two-step process. In this kind of addition, we firstly add the ones and then we add the tens. In this question, we have to add 12 and 5. In ones place, we have 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. And in tens place, we have 1. Hence, 12 plus 5 makes 17. So, for adding a two-digit number, we firstly add all the ones and then we add all the tens. If we take another example, here we have to add 13 and 5. Step 1 is add all the ones. So, if we add 5 and 3, it makes 8. And in the tens place, we have only 1. Hence, 13 plus 5 will make 18. Now we will see the process of adding three numbers. Suppose we have to add 3, 2 and 4. While doing this addition, we can either add 3 and 2 together, then add the total to 4. Or we can add 4 and 2 together and then add the total to 3. If we add 3 and 2 together, it makes 5. And when we add 5 to 4, it makes 9. Also, if we add 4 and 2 together, it makes 6. And when we add 6 to 3, it makes 9. Therefore, however we add these three numbers, the answer will be same. The same question can also be written vertically. If we add 3, 2 and 4, the sum of 3 and 2, which is 5, can be added to 4 and the answer will be 9. Or we can add 4 and 2 together, which makes 6, and 6 when added to 3 makes 9. The answer in both the cases will be same and the process shall also be the same. Another type of question is that wherein we have a blank, a number and their sum. In these kind of questions, we have to do forward counting after the number, which is 9 in this case. So we will count after 9 till 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Hence, when 4 will be added to 9, it will make 13. Let's take another example. If we have 8, a blank and the sum, which is 11, we will do forward counting after 8 until 11. 9, 10, 11. So, when 3 is added to 8, the sum shall be 11. So, 8 plus 3 will make 11. Also children, Remember the keywords for addition while doing story sum. The keywords are total, in all together. So keep on practicing the addition sums. Thank you.